Hey friends, this is Atif Opir Val and welcome to the new update on BitTorrent. In my earlier video, I was showing you that the price line of BitTorrent is testing a very long-term support line from 115 to 108. And by the way, this was my last video that I shared almost 3 days ago. And now if we take a look at the live chart, this is the daily time frame. And here you can see that recently the price line broke down the support of the sub channel for several days or weeks. It has been moving inside this channel since after 29th of October. We had a rejection here, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection. And finally, we broke down the support here on 9th of December 2024. And after the breakdown, it had been moving at this long-term support zone from 115 to 108.00 00.05 times $0.108. And now we have again broken it down. Right now, the price and is trying to break it out once again. However, now there is a probability that we may test this very long-term up trend line support. Let me just show you on the 7 day time frame chart. Then you can see that we have a very long-term up trend line support here that is coming from the month of October 2023. We had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, and right now the price and is breaking down this support. In fact, even on the 7 day time frame chart, we have completely broken down this support. The previous candlestick is closed below the support level. And now there is a probability that we may test this support, this uptrend line support approximately at 9.6. And if we take a look at the daily time frame chart once again, then we can see that at 9.6, we also have found a short-term support as well. And here you can see that at exactly at 9.6 level, we had a nice bounce, and previously it had been breaking as a resistance here as well. We got rejection here, and after the breakout, we had a nice bounce. Therefore, now if the price drops down here, then we can expect another bounce because we will have a very, very nice support level, two support levels here. One will be this uptrend line support, and now you can see that this 9.6 that is coming from here, that was previously working as a point of rejection here, and now it is flipped into a support. We had a bounce here, and we can expect another bounce from here as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you a very, very massive breakout that has happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for BV Finance, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared on 31st of December 2024 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of BitTorrent once again. And here you can see that we have already broken down the support of this up channel. And after the breakdown, now the price has also broken down this long-term support line as well. By the way, the technical target for the breakdown from this up channel is here at the bottom of the channel. That is approximately at 776 times $0.77. And before that, we have a very firm support here. We have two support levels, by the way. One is the short-term support that we have recently found at 9.6. That was recently breaking out the resistance here. And after the breakout, it is flipped into a support. We almost had a bounce here, another bounce exactly from the support we had here on 20th of December 2024. Therefore, this time you can see that both supports, this uptrend line support and this support of 9.6 are coming at the same level. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this uptrend line support is coming from the month of October 2023. Therefore, it is a quite long-term uptrend line support, and this time, this uptrend line and this 9.6 are both coming almost at the same level. Therefore, it will be really very difficult for the price and to break them down. Now, here you can also see that we have recently also broken out this up channel as well in the price and was very close to hit the target for the breakout from this channel. That was here at the top of the channel at 207. So far, the price and pumped up to 192. I'm expecting that soon it can also hit the target for the breakout from this channel as well. And here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out a very big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of this wedge. That is approximately at 255. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.